Hi, Market family. What if I told you that you are seated on a daily money machine and it's not TikTok, it's not Facebook, it's not YouTube, it's not Instagram, it's just WhatsApp status? Yes, that little update space you ignore daily could pay your bills if you know what to post. Let me show you how ordinary people are making money daily just from WhatsApp status without even a website or followers. You guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Thanks for being on this video. This is a mind-blowing video. I'm going to be showing you how to make money daily using your WhatsApp status, even with 0 followers. This is a disclaimer, you guys. We are talking about WhatsApp status, not WhatsApp as a whole. I know some individuals out there will start saying, this is a lie, this is what, no, no, no. If you know you have WhatsApp, I want you to mark a word WhatsApp status. Now, Christine is not a professional, is not an intellectual, and in fact, is not licensed to maybe to show you ways or the experts of making money, but I'm giving you what has helped me, what has helped a person down there. You go to people's statuses right now, the numbers that you have on your status, see what do they post. If you find you can see 10 out of 100, you'll find they are posting their skill, they are posting what they do, they are posting. Then you, who will be fidgeting with your keyboard, that I'm lying, you are the person who posts there how you ate yesterday, where they took you, or maybe you're writing the things to make the other side. Maybe you have your co-wife, you have someone running you, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, you think you want to write those nasty things, or your emotions. No, you are doing wrong. In today's video, I'm going to show you that update space, that small update space, can make you get millions of money. Is it from $5 to $10? It depends on how you're going to start it. So I want you right now to go to your WhatsApp, go to where there is update, check update. What are you supposed to post there? You can post their video, you can post their text, you can post their post, you can even put a photo. It's up to you. Now, did you know that as of 2025, over 2.9 billion people actively use WhatsApp, and the average user checks their apps 38 times a day? They check their WhatsApp app 38 times a day. Are you inclusive? Yes, if you're inclusive, or if you're like me who doesn't check my WhatsApp status, let's meet in the comment section. That means that if you're not monetizing your WhatsApp status, you are wasting attention that could be making you $5 to $50 every day consistently. In this video, I don't expect someone to write down that, Madam, can you tell me how to do it? No, this is a step-by-step tutorial. You can even see, go to WhatsApp, your WhatsApp update, and see. If you open your WhatsApp update, you see you can post anything there. So you choose to post something which is not good, it's up to you. But you have to choose something that is going to bring for you financial gains. In this video, I'll give you real, doable, daily ways to earn from WhatsApp status, even if all you have is your smartphone, you don't have anything. Now, without wasting your time, I want us to go and see the way number one on how to use your WhatsApp status. One, you can sell WhatsApp, you can sell what you have already used at home. Start with already something which is already around you. Do you cook? Share your daily food plate with a price. Do you do hair? Post before and after styles. People who do my hair, they do this when they are not from, even the salons right now, they do that. Do you sell clothes or jewelry? Show it on yourself. I'm very sure, let me open for you my WhatsApp status and I show you the contacts that they have that have so far right now put something for selling. Even the big business people. Let me give you a tip right now. What I want you to do when you go to post anything that you want to sell, is it used clothes? Is it your service like hair? Is it cooking? Use keywords like affordable food near you, order lunch today, or DM to book. These are the words that you should use. People will trust you that if you can do this daily, but don't put it today and you wait for 1 week and again you put it there. Do this on a daily basis on your status. Build, if you post something on a daily basis, it will build you trust that you don't know. It will be just trust silently. Royalty will be there for you. I give an example. Someone selling home baked snacks in Uganda posts 3 statuses updates daily. She earns around 30,000 Ugandan shillings per day just from regular friends ordering without any advert, no website, just regular friends. And she's earning 30,000. How much does she make in a month? It's now your duty to calculate. Let's see now way number 2. Become a reseller for local businesses. Reseller, I want you to mark that because I want you to be very keen with me and quote me right. Don't go in the comment section and say this is a scam because you don't listen. Become a reseller for local business. You don't need to own your own products to sell. No way. Walk into a boutique, take a good photo of items, negotiate with them, let them give you a cut per sale. Like, for example, 5,000 to 20,000 Ugandan shillings. They cut for you. Post daily with the price, plus the contact. That's all. What you need to do here, whenever you're posting something, put a caption that catches. Like, for example, today hot picks, DM to reserve. Or maybe you can put fashion drops, only 2 lefts. It makes people think, okay, let me give order. WhatsApp has 92% open rate, way higher than Facebook or than email. If your 20 people view, 1 or 2 may buy. Do the math for yourself, you guys. And if you do this daily, it will even increase. Let's go to way number 3. Share paid affiliate links. Please, I want you to be keen. You can go to some platforms when we are talking about paid affiliate links. We have like Jumia, it is in Africa. We have ClickBank, it is for digital products. We have Partner Stack, that is SaaS tools. All this one, you can do this and earn some good amount of money. What you need to do, you need to pick simple offers. Simple offers that are already on trend, they're already moving. I told you in our last video, you can go, for example, go on Google Trends and see what is selling. For example, like beauty, like gadgets, like work from home tools, all these ones, tools under digital products. You post a value-driven status. Struggling with low energy, for example, this is a caption you can do. This supplement works out for you. I use it daily. Order here. Then you put the affiliate link. You put a photo, put a caption, put affiliate link. Someone who will click there. Recently, I bought a bra because I really needed it. I really, like some of us, God has endowed us with our things. We need nice bras. So when someone put it on her status, and I clicked on it, it took me direct to Temu, something like that. And I had to buy it. So it means she got money. You can use keywords. These ones are very, very, they are needed most. If you're going to post things, use captions. These captions with common words, like use common questions or problem solving headlines. For example, you can use best solution for tired skin, where to buy affordable power bank in Nigeria, in Uganda, in this. Every click that turns into purchase, that is instant commission. You don't need to suffer. The way number 4 is promote digital services daily. What are digital services? Digital services, we have something like CV writing, designing logos, typing documents. I wonder, you know how to type a document, but you can't put it on your status. You know how to design logos, you don't put it there. People are looking for CVs, you're there seated on it. What you need, go to your status, put them there. Then start offering these skills on the status with simple formats. E.g., you can say, need help in writing your CV this week? I can help you, DM me. Or you can say, professional logo design delivered in 24 hours. People will look for you. Use just clear service, urgency, and you see, like, for example, you say, get your business card in 1 day. Agents will make a client in a day. You'll get steady cash. You'll use testimonials even from old clients to build credibility of your business. Let's say way number 5, you guys. Before we finish, create daily status mini tutorials. How do you do this? Teach what you know in 15 seconds. You don't need to go more than 15 seconds. How to apply for a job online. How to budget your salary. 3 apps that pay you to work. These are the things that you put and you're using. Guys, let me tell you this. WhatsApp rewards value. If people learn from your status, they will trust you with their money. Seriously. Because they will know you are a person to person. Unless, let me give you something before I finish. This is a pro tip and it is going to be like a bonus bundle. What you need to do, you can do status bundles. Status bundle offers, we can copy from these big shops, big sales. You go to Temu, you go to Noon, you go to Shein. They do bundles. Even physical business, they do these bundle offers. Like in my company, we do bundle offers. So what you need to do, you need to, for example, you say, bundle your offers. You need to say, like, if you want this week, I'll be offering CV writing plus LinkedIn profile setup. People will run. If you say it was at 30,000, now I'll make it 10,000. Save it. I'm telling you, you are going to get orders. Or maybe you can say, order 3 meals if you're for food. Order 3 meals, of which it includes biryani, semolina, matoke, all this one. And I give you one free special. This one, it will be, is like you're pulling people, say, let me go for it. This one, you can even put limited offers to move you faster on WhatsApp. You guys, I have nothing to say about this because I've seen working and people are having testimonies about it. Use emojis, agency likes, only. Like, for example, only today. Now, don't let your WhatsApp be entertainment only. Turn into your doyle shop. Turn into your doyle shop window. Turn into your billboard. You don't need a degree to do this. You don't need a website to do this. Or you don't need 1,000 followers. You just need people in your contacts. And afterwards, these people in your contacts are going to give referrals by word of mouth. From there, I'll show you, if you do this, I'll show you, you can even go and increase your base of contacts by linking your WhatsApp status with your Facebook, with your Instagram, with putting it on anywhere. And you get clicks and they come to your WhatsApp. If you're here and you want a free guide with WhatsApp status post templates and tools, please go to the comments section and put there WhatsApp status money. I repeat, it is WhatsApp status money. This is not free money. You work for it. You make sure you be consistent. You show up. You post things, what you have. Even what you don't have, you post. Post it in the comment section and I will come and we do justice for it. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye-bye.